Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com, and today is Thursday, June 11th. All right, we hit our goal for Apple. We had the drop. You had the video a few days ago. It worked out perfect. Then we had the pop after the gap filled, okay? And now our next trade, yes, I'm using the hourly on this so we have some targets to hit. Our next trade now is going to be a little bit lower, and we grabbed this top right here when it hit the upper Bollinger Band. If you were in live chat, you nailed it with us. But if you're not in live chat, you didn't nail it with us. But I'm going to tell you ahead of time, so you still have time to get in right here and plan this out. So we got 127.76, and if that holds, then we're going to go higher this way. If it doesn't hold, we're going to come lower and test this again. All right, so keep an eye on Apple. For me personally, it's a beautiful trader, and we got a nice cross going on right now with the 50 and the 200 on the hourly, and once that takes place, it could get pretty ugly over here. Could start the trend to the downside. All right, but congratulations on the puts, then the calls, and now the puts. Be in the chat room, and we'll definitely, all these trades are absolutely perfect. We get several of them over the last couple days. Looking at the daily, you can see here, middle Bollinger Band was resistance. This is why I use all time frames. So we had a beautiful off the 100 move all the way up to the middle Bollinger Band, and that was all she wrote. But from 130.20 all the way down right now, and they're going to break the 50 again. And if this 50 does not hold, then we are going to go lower. And potentially I'd like to get down to this trend line. That's my goal. Right now we're in a consolidation box, and it's getting tighter and tighter and tighter. So keep an eye on the moves here because it's pretty important. We'll do it this way. We'll keep it like this. And keep it nice and simple. I'm going to use the high candle, the low candle, and go from there. So this is pretty much the trade zone right now, and you can see how Apple has made its move to the upside. Not on huge volume, but it did, and it broke the trend line, the downtrend line that was in place. Okay, so if it does hold and keep going, then we have this here, and this looks like what we're doing at the moment until one of these lines are broken. That is your line in the sand right now, and this is your trade zone getting smaller and smaller and smaller. All right, this is Matt over Milestone Capital Growth Portfolio. We will see you tomorrow in live chat. Remember, become a lifetime member right now, $9.99. You can't beat that. I promise you. You'll enjoy it every day along with 150 to 200 other members that are on there all day long hanging out. Have yourself a great afternoon.